For many people, social media is the main source of interaction while social distancing. But are these digital platforms helping or hurting our mental health? Western Mass News reporter Sabrina Riley is getting answers.
If you've been spending hours and hours scrolling through social media lately, you're not alone.
I think our dependence on social media, for better or for worse, has absolutely increased tenfold since COVID-19.
But we wanted to know if this form of interaction is helping or hurting our mental health.
I'm sure people during this time of insulation and social distancing are really turning to those mediums or mechanisms that they have available to them in order to still feel some kind of connectivity with others in the community.
Kimberly Lee with the Mental Health Association in Springfield tells Western Mass News that during this time of distancing, social media can play a positive role in bringing us together.
It really is physical distancing, really not social distancing. And so social media is just that, social media. So it's an opportunity for us to stay connected, to stay informed.
But she says the impact of digital platforms on our mental health is dependent on what kind of media we choose to consume.
Filter through what's on social media and tend to be directed towards that positivity versus the negative and the alarmist type posts that are really not emotionally healthy.
She says a good rule of thumb to follow is watching how it provokes versus calms our anxiety.
Here at the Mental Health Association, we refer to something which is TGK. T meaning turn it off. The G is to go beyond the headline. Really look beyond that attention-grabbing headline that's on a Facebook post, or that could be on Twitter or Instagram. And the K, which is know your source. You know, is it a reputable source? Is it somebody who you trust?
And with that easy acronym, they believe you'll be able to better control what social media you consume and how it impacts your mental health.
We don't want people to be isolated in the sense that they don't have a positive connection with other individuals. And so social media can be a very positive medium in order to keep that connectivity.
For Western Mass News, I'm Sabrina Riley.